Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I uploaded, but I've been super busy. I have to, do my day job and then try to manage a business too, so it's kind of hectic, and whatever free time I have that I like to use towards the gym and things like that. So YouTube kind of took a back seat, but I figured today, because I had free time, it's a good opportunity to get back into it. So I'm gonna give you guys a garage tour, and then I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you guys a new vehicle I purchased. All right, you guys, this is my garage. This is my escape slash workspace slash chill space. Just a nice little place to be. I kind of have everything a little bit more organized now, so it's a nice place to kind of chill and just get things done. But I'm gonna show you guys, this is my model car collection. I've been collecting for years, but this is about half of them. I didn't have enough shelving space just because, like, as you can see, this thing is like completely full. But got your typical, 90s Japanese cars going and all that. So it's a nice little touch of the garage. And over here, this is my shelving area. Pretty much got lawn equipment, etc., blah blah blah. And then over here is pretty much the house maintenance stuff like paint, etc. You got your maintenance stuff and fluids and things like that on the middle section, and then on top it's pretty much all my go fast cool looking parts. Like if I had a turbo, I'd put it right there or something like that, just adds to the nice garage aesthetic. You know what I'm saying? Always got to have a mini fridge, stay hydrated. And then right here, got my Xbox with the TV just because my live ran out or whatever, so I just kind of use it for YouTube. And if I'm here with like a customer car or my own car, it's just nice to have something in the background. All right, and this is my dad's 92 Toyota Cressida. It's got a 1JZ in it, non-VVTi, big single, 550cc injectors. It's still automatic, but it's a nice little cruiser car. It's been in our family for a long time, and as you guys can tell, this guy stays on top of his waxing and stuff like that. It's ridiculous. This is actually original paint too. All right, now let's get into the business side of things. This is my compressor. This is pretty much what I use for all my customer materials, polishing. I got some wheels here I gotta polish and clean up, but I'm waiting for materials to come in through the mail. But those are work equips. And got my detailing section right here. My dad was kind of big on chemical guys, so he pretty much loads the shelf with chemical guy stuff, and that's kind of what I use for customer cars and things like that. You got your buffing towels here, your drying towels, all that. And then been into this stuff recently. I'm probably gonna do a video on Patterson Car Care, just kind of like, do a whole test. I still gotta do the new car, clean everything up, so I'm gonna use that stuff on the inside, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. All right, you guys, so we are in the driveway area of the house. This is my SC300 with the 1J in it. This is my daily IS, which I'm gonna do a quick walk around of that after I do this, but this is the new car, the S13 hatch. Wanted one of these again for a long time. I had one about 8 years ago and never really got to finish it, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick walk around of that right now, and then we're gonna get into the IS. All right, you guys, this is the S13 interior. Everything's pretty much clean for the most part, but eventually I want to pull pretty much all the accessories out and just do a deep clean. Even the seats I want to pull out, and I guess steam clean the carpet and get all the stains out, and definitely get this thing tinted so it's not a fishbowl in here, and that way I can preserve what's left of the interior. It's super nice. Walmart looking AutoZone wheel, 5-bolt. That's another thing I need to switch out eventually. We'll get a quick release, a little NRG quick release and a short hub, and then throw it on here. Got the Tamai shifter, drift button, and got this Bride Lomax. Still got the back seats. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys the outside of the car. This is a side profile view. It's got the Type X replica kit on it from Modelo Drive. The wing is a different brand. I like the wing, but the kit kind of fits a little wonky. But I'm gonna have to go and trim those up before I do body work and things like that. But I'm still trying to find a color to really put on this car. But did the full Type X tail light conversion too with the kit. Got some body damage right here, but that's gonna be all fixed when this car gets to paint, so not too worried about it. Also got to figure out this front bumper sag. It kind of sags in the middle, so I'm probably gonna have to get some kind of support beam or something to hold the bumper up right here in this area. But for the most part, Really happy with this car. It's been about a month since I had it, so did the 5-lug conversion. Wheel specs 17, 9.5 plus 20 all the way around. It's a nice little touch and a nice stance for this car too. Now I'm gonna show you guys what's under the hood. Nothing crazy, but still got to be talked about. All right, so you guys already know what this is. Completely stock KA24DE. Got an intake and then got some headers on here with a little heat shield and, you know, circuit sport, reservoir, Mishimoto radiator, things like that, just to, you know, help with cooling. And then got some electric fans here, Siki sway bar, and you know, it's pretty much stock for the most part. I think the timing's advanced because this thing is super fast for a KA with nothing on it. So definitely plan on pulling everything apart and then doing like pistons, cams, and, you know, all the refresher parts to do KAT. And I want to make at least like, I don't know, I'm shooting for like 400 horsepower, so I'm gonna have to find all my accessories and get that going, but that's for another time. This car is my daily. It's a 2001 Lexus IS 300. It's on coilovers, and did a little front lip headlight and a grill just to kind of give it a more aggressive look. And it's a great daily. It has like 270,000 miles on it, so, you know, couldn't really ask for more. It's a perfect little daily. All right, guys, it's super hot. I'm gonna go inside and cool down, but with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Within the next couple of days, I would like to do the interior restoration of the S13 and get everything kind of pulled out and restored and just, you know, back to its original glory. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also check me out on Instagram at David Blake with 2 E's. I'm gonna put it right here so you guys can check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.